Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Tuesday verb. So break. To damage something in a way that it does not work anymore. Yes. The tree, I will break the tree. The tree is broken. Yeah. Don't break the machine. Be careful with it and don't break it. Careful. Don't break it. They will break it if they handle it like that. They'll break it if they handle it like that. Ugh, no thank you. Yeah, be careful. Yeah. She breaks it all the time. Yeah, they will break it again if they aren't careful. They'll break it again if they're not careful. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So that means then that I break. I break. You break. They break. Yeah. I break the bread. You break. I break the bread. You will break the pencil like that. They won't break it that easily. Yeah, they won't break the door that easily. No. And he breaks. She breaks. It breaks. Yeah. It breaks easily if you do that. Yeah, it breaks easily if you do that. And she breaks all the plates sometimes. Yeah, wow. I don't want that either, yeah. And he breaks anything. He breaks the table when he breaks the table sometimes with those books, with those heavy things. With those heavy things. What? Heavy things. Sometimes. Yeah. So, we can say then, I think he broke it again. Past tense, broke it. He broke it last night. They broke it just now. They broke it just now. Yeah. The water is breaking the pipes. Breaking. All that heavy stuff is breaking the table. That storm is breaking the wall. Breaking and damaging the wall. Yeah, the wall. When it happens, it might break again. Yeah. If there is another storm, then the other walls might break too. We have to be careful that it will not break and fall over. Break and fall over the tree. We have to be careful that the tree will not break and fall over. Yeah, not good. Yeah, no thank you. Yeah. So, how cool is that, language explorers? I break, you break. Let's change that. I break, you break, they break. He breaks, she breaks, it breaks. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring. But can you use break in a sentence? Can you comment that sentence below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. Very good. And follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Look for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too. Look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.